Hi friends, this is Miss C, and thank you for joining me today. We will be working on interactive writing throughout our lesson.
Materials.
You will need a paper and pencil for our lesson today. Ready? We have 2 learning targets for today. Please follow along as I read. The first learning target is, I can make new words using base words and the suffixes ing, ed, and er. Our second learning target says, I can write a sentence using words with the syllable type consonant le, suffixes ly, ness, and ment in high frequency words.
Transition song.
Can you build a word from scratch? A word from scratch? A word from scratch? Can you build a word from scratch using many parts?
Word work.
Today, we will review word parts. Remember, a base word is a word that has meaning all on its own, and a suffix is a word part added at the end of a word. Let's read some word parts and decide where they go on our chart. Thumbs up if you're ready. Our first word is wise. Is wise a base word or a suffix? Wise is a base word. We can add affixes to it to change its meaning. Let's try another. Mint. Is mint a base word or a suffix? Mint is a suffix. We can add it to the end of a word to mean an action or result of something. Ness. Is ness a base word or a suffix? Ness is a suffix. We can add it to the end of a base word to mean a quality or state of being. Excite. Is excite a base word or suffix? Excite is a base word. It has its own meaning all on its own. Place. Is place a base word or suffix? Place is also a base word. We can add affixes to it to change its meaning. Close. Is close a base word or suffix? Close is a base word. Ly. Is ly a base word or suffix? Ly is a suffix. We can add it to the end of a base word to change its meaning to every. Now we will use these word parts to make some new words. Go ahead and get your paper and pencil ready. Let's go. Our first base word is wise. Our suffix is ly. When we put these two together, what new word do we make? Wisely. Did our base word change? Our base word does not change when we add a suffix. Go ahead and write wisely on your paper. Let's try another. Our base word is excite. The suffix is ment. When we put these two together, what new word do we make? Excitement. Did the base word change when we added a suffix? No, it stayed the same. Go ahead and write the word excitement on your paper. Our last one. The base word is forgive. Our suffix is ness. When we put these two together, what new word do we have? Forgiveness. Did we see a change to our base word? No, it stayed the same again. Go ahead and write the word forgiveness on your paper. Once you're done, go ahead and give yourself a pat on the back for all your hard work.
Transition song.
Do you know the words we'll write? The words we'll write. The words we'll write. Do you know the words we'll write on paper today?
Writing.
For our last activity, let's use words that have a consonant LE syllable to write a silly sentence. You are going to use your paper and pencil to write a complete sentence with at least 3 consonant LE words. Don't forget, at the beginning of your sentence, you should have an uppercase letter and the ending punctuation at the end. Here are a list of words to help you. Feel free to read them with me, and I am going to start from the top. The words are table, topple, nibble, ankle, chuckle, fiddle, shuffle, people, simple. Good luck, and I can't wait to see your complete sentence with 3 consonant LE words. I hope you had enough time to finish your silly sentence. Here is the silly sentence I came up with. The table might topple because a dog nibbled on the brittle leg. As you can see, I began with an uppercase letter and I finished with a period. And I even use 4 consonant LE words. I have table, topple, nibbled, and brittle, which has a suffix, but is still a consonant LE syllable. Nibbled, we see the suffix ED. Go ahead and give yourself a pat on the back for all your hard work and great writing.
Closing reflection.
How did you take responsibility for your learning today? Which suffix was a bit tricky? Try writing more sentences with consonant LE words to make a silly story. Keep up the great work and always practice to get better. I'll see you next time.